Today we are going to make a chatbot with the Chatgpt API. First of all, we go to the website of Chatgpt and ask the bot if it can make a Telegram Chatgpt bot in Python. As you can see, Chatgpt starts writing a code for the bot. But you have to tweak the bot after, as the parameters are not correct. We will correct this later in this tutorial. Chatgpt is an open-source natural language processing (NLP) model for dialogue. It is a transformer-based language model that has been trained on a large corpus of conversational data. It can generate responses to user input, and can be used to create conversational agents or chatbots. Chatgpt can be used to build conversational interfaces for applications such as customer service, virtual assistants, and conversational commerce. It can also be used to generate text, such as dialogues or stories. Chatgpt is almost finished to write the script. In the meantime, you can get your API key from your Chatgpt profile. Also, you have to talk to the botfather on Telegram to get an API key. You have to put the keys into the code. So at the start of our code you fill in the OpenAI API key, and at the bottom of the script you will find your API token, which you have to replace with the botfather's Telegram token. Now it's finished with processing the code. We can copy the code by scrolling up and click copy. We can paste the code into our favorite editor. I'm using Komodo Edit. You can download it from their website. Do you use another editor? Let me know in the comments below. Komodo Editor is an open-source integrated development environment (IDE) for web and cloud development. It offers a wide range of features including syntax highlighting and auto-complete, advanced debugging, project management, version control integration, collaboration tools, and more. Komodo Editor is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is free to download and use. It supports many different programming and markup languages, as well as popular frameworks like Node, JS and Angular. We paste the code into Komodo Editor and save the file with the py extension. Note that we have to uncomment the idle updater as shown in the red circle, otherwise the bot will not work. So we can say that Chatgpt has not done its work properly. Now we are trying to test it. I called my bot Subbot, so you have to click the link the botfather send you and type what you want to Chatgpt. As you can see, this is not clearly the answer we want, so we have to tweak the parameters a little. I found some on their website and will adapt it. You can find the full code on my GitHub. The link is in the description of this video. When we ask the bot to name some cocktails, it does not return a list as we expected. When we change the parameters engine to text DaVinci 003, then you will see the output as what we expected. I've added some extra parameters which are explained on the Chatgpt website. Yes, Chatgpt can make errors. While Chatgpt is a powerful tool for natural language processing, it does not have the same level of accuracy as a human. Errors can be caused by missing data, incorrect data, or other sources. When adapting the code, we can start the bot again. I'm using a terminal on my Ubuntu machine. While most of the focus on Chatgpt has been on its astounding ability to produce original, human-sounding text, it is also capable of writing programming code. Actually, Chatgpt can code in a wide variety of languages, including languages like C++ and MicroPython that can be used with microcontrollers. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this movie as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.